We live in this world. It's a beautiful world outside. How do we understand this world? How do we know this world? We have five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are the five sense organs. The world enters us through these sense organs. They are the doors through which the world comes to us. Beautiful things are around. Open your eyes and you can see flowers, trees, plants, wells and ponds, running streams, rivers, seas, massive mountains, beautiful valleys. Look up, you can see the twinkling stars, the bright sun, the bright moon, altogether very, very beautiful. We see this with our eyes. With our ears, as all of us know, we hear the music, the chattering of birds, and barking of dogs, braying of doggies, bleating of goats, tiger growls, lion roars, a child cries. Very, very beautiful, very, very lovely music we hear through our ears. And we have our tongue intact. We know the taste of the world. That is sweet, we understand. That is not so sweet. It is bitter, it is very hot. Taste buds are there. Tongue is a door through which the world comes to us. Then there is nose. The fragrance of a beautiful flower enters us through the nostrils. Foul smells too. World is a mix, in fact. And with our skin, we experience a soft touch, a hard push, everything. The world is a blend of happy and unhappy things, and we experience the world through our sense organs. As long as we live in this sense world, we are comfortable, we are happy, we don't have any very serious questions. But once we elevate our status to that of intellectual level, we begin to ask some very serious questions. What is the meaning of this life? We ask. Where do we come from? To where we are heading to? What is truth? What is the reality behind this universe? What is the real thing in you? What is the real thing in me? We ask questions. One after another, these questions come. We don't have the answer. We don't get the answer from the outside world in spite of our continuous and very serious search. Then we change our strategy. We look inside. Yes, there is a world inside. We close our eyes and we look inside with our inner eye. Deep meditation, profound thinking. Our ancient masters, rishis and sages, they have located answers to these very serious questions, and they preserved or they recorded those answers in the Vedas and scriptures, Upanishads. Fortunately, they are with us now. Now, they are there as guiding lamps Let us go to them and find out what are the answers given to us by thinking people of the ancient past. Thank you. Thank you very much.